Philippians chapter 1, verse 21. Verse 21. I will do all things. I will do all things to Christ who strengthens me. Philippians chapter 10, verse 21. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and shun evil.
Ayun, whatever you do,
Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart. It's working for the Lord, not for man.
ayun, the
Ako na.
branch.
The branch.
I'm the
Branch.
part.
And the part where leaves are set fruit are maybe green or brown in color.
And little plant.
Huh?
Little
The
plant.
little plant. Dark of the stick, birth deep, so deep, a dear little plant. Our path to sleep. In sunshine and keep to the light. Hindi ko na alam yun eh. In the
Sige.
heart of the sea,
Yung
where we live,
when I see
when I say, ano yun?
When I see you.
Nakakalimutan ko yun.
Try mo, try.
When I see your face, and I don't think that I want you. As you mentioned, just the way you know.
Yung bayang magiliw. Bayang,
Bayang magiliw, pero di nalala, alam ng puso, paano na buhay ko ay napaligaw, ngayon ko ang pag-ibig sa mundo. Hindi ko sisigit sa ilang mundo, hindi nalala, out, wala'y mawakal,
Hindi na alam. Yung
Hindi ko na alam yun eh. Ano?
Ano pa yung sinising mo?
Today? Baby. Oh, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 oh, that is, hindi ko na alam.
Ano pa? Ganda. May gun ka na naman.